Need your Zara order fast? Here's how to get next day delivery on your purchases. Zara offers next day delivery in certain areas, but it's subject to stock availability and your location. To unlock this option, check if it's listed under delivery choices at checkout. To make sure you qualify, place your order early in the day and ensure it meets any minimum order requirements for next day shipping. If next day delivery is not available, Zara will provide other express delivery options like 2-day or standard shipping. Always check for special promotions that may offer free express shipping or quicker delivery. Have you ever tried Zara's fast shipping? How fast did your order arrive? Tell us in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.